So it's a National Trust car park, and the most of these are £5 all day. So yeah, get parked up, wait for the bikes to arrive, and then off we go. This is the car park. You can walk up to the Thai Cock in there. It's only 20 minutes, as it says there. The people with the cloud, look at that. Oh my god. We might get a bit wet on today's ride, but it's worth it, look. Yes. Beautiful. So yeah, just a 20-minute walk up the beach gets you to the fabulous Thai Cock. We'll Photoshop that grey cloud out, I think, when we get back home. There we go. Right, let's wait for the bikes.